Hi guys, Jennifer Taylor here. How you doing? I have Happy Mail. It is the Potomac Beads August treasure box kit, and it's called Purr and Polished. Welcome to Purr and Polished, a chic collection of black and white beads with the shimmer of amethyst sparkle, curated to inspire sleek, elegant designs with a hint of mystery. Nestled among the gems, you'll find a playful surprise, personality-packed cat charms ready to leap into your next creation and make it truly unforgettable. And here is what's in there, in case you want to screenshot it. And in case you noticed, I'm in a little bit different place today. I'm outside on my back patio with a shade cover. It's pretty warm out, but the skies are blue and beautiful fluffy white clouds, so can't ask for a better spot to be doing this. So without further ado, let's see what we have in our box. So I have Potomac Beads bezeled chatons, amethyst 6mm, pack of 12. Let's see those. Let's see if I can turn this around. Okay, there's one, if you can see that one there. Very cool. Those are fun. Okay, oh, here is laser cut cats with jump rings. Can you see that? I have to take that one out. Watch me struggle with the bag. That's part of the reason why I don't open the bags, because I'm always fighting. Okay, so let's see, those are two tails. So, literally a little laser cut cat, and it's covered, so once we unpeel it, it is, obviously it'll be a different color from this. Once you get it going, it looks like it comes with two sets. So, two sets and then jump rings in here. And if I could peel one back, I could show you what it looks like, but may need my tweezers. I always have the darndest time getting this off. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah, see? Okay, so it looks like it's a black acrylic. Oh, I get the rest of the tail off here. And it's covered on both sides, so it's like a shiny black acrylic. Very cool, very fun. That's gonna be fun to make. I think I'm just gonna make earrings with those. Since there's two, make a pair of earrings. This is Athena cast metal beads, round 3mm, real silver plated. This is Athena cast tube clasp, premium silver plated. Ooh, that's very cool. Okay, I'll show you this one. Let's see if I can get this one out. Show you, this one's cool. If I'm right, yep, see, sides apart, sides together, and then you could add your strands off this way. Very neat. I am excited to use that. Very cool. Okay, next one is Potomac crystal rivolis in black diamond 18mm, and I'm gonna have to take this one out of the package as well. Good thing it's not too early in the morning. I usually can't open those packages first thing in the morning. That is beautiful. Look how shiny that is. Sparkly. Very cool. Okay, a check glass fleur de lis. That is like an iridescent. Very pretty. Check glass oval white beads. Those are really pretty. I'm trying to guess the millimeters. Let's see, I have a chart here. Looks like it's, well, It's an oval, so it looks like it's a 16 millimeter oval. That's a nice size. I like that size. It's a good size for earrings or bracelet. Ooh, these are really cool. Check drop bead black, pack of 3. That was cool. Looks like the bead goes no? Yeah, vertical. So it would go this way through. Very cool. I like that one a lot. Pewter end cone, etched long cone silver. How pretty are those? Very pretty. I don't have any like that either. That's great. Around dual beads, jet hematite, a 75 of 5 millimeter. That's interesting. Let's see, Azuki seed beads, metallic blue, iris, 8 O's. Put it this way so you can see, because I can't. Ooh, look at that. Look at that shimmer. Very pretty. This looks like glass black rounds. And let me see, I have my measure here in front of me. Looks like a 4 millimeter. It's a nice size strand. Almost enough to do necklace. Of course, when you get other beads in, you could get a couple bracelets out of it, or at least a full necklace. Very pretty. Potomac crystal round beads, opal, 4 millimeters. Okay, now look at that beautiful mint green color. Sparkly. Those are beautiful. I love that color. I don't have anything that color either, so I will definitely be making something with these. Super dual bead, jet and bronze mix. Very cool. Check glass round bead smoke, 10 millimeters. This one is, that's my dog in the background. She wants to go in. Check Nautilus bead, pack of 3. Oh, look at these. These are awesome. I love it. Mayuki seed beads, silver Labrador, full 8 O's. Those are nice. And then last one box is check rectangle beads, chalk white, pack of black. Pack of black. Chalk white beads, pack of 5. Oh my gosh. Aren't those neat? Very cool. And that is what I have in my box today. So keep an eye out. I'll be taking stills of these, and then I'll share all that with you. I thank you for stopping by, and happy creating. Bye.